Well, hello there again, Express Maintenance family. This is Eric Waymeyer, and this is your week's hot tip. Wanted to cover how do you access your Express Maintenance support team. So if you're a legacy customer, you know that the Express Maintenance support typically and historically has been done through email only. But if you've renewed with us anytime in the last 9 months, you know that you now have some advanced support options, and some of you have upgraded to those advanced support options. Some of you stuck with the basic support. I want to explain how you get access to general support, advanced support, and then advanced services. And so I'm going to walk you through some of that real quick. So if you go to our website, you can go to mass.systems/em-home, or you could just type in www.expressmaintenance.com and get the same result. And from this website, you'll notice that we have a support page. We have some resources here, and I'm going to walk through a couple of those. But if you just need immediate assistance, then the best way for you to get the best help possible, if you're having something to deal with troubleshooting, or you just have a general inquiry, the best place for you to go is this support ticket right here. And it's got some, it's the support question, the support questionnaire is not a long one. But we do need this information in order to best provide you with the best support possible. You'll see all these red asterisks. That means those are all required fields. Take the time, and if you have trouble with accessing your software, or it's not operating properly, or anything, then take the time, fill this out, and you're going to get much faster result. Otherwise, as your account manager, if I'm your account manager, you send me an email saying, hey, this and this is not working. Then I have to email our support team. Our email support team is then going to have to contact you, get this information from you, and then they can put in the ticket. So it's just faster if you guys go straight here, fill this in. You can also call us. We have the 800 number right here at the top. I believe you press 1 for support, and you're going to go right to a support person. You can also email support@mass.systems if you have just a simple question. But if you actually need help with the software, something's not working, then you need to submit this support ticket. Okay, so let's say you just have some general inquiry and you want to be able to explore some answers yourself. We have a knowledge base, we have a learning management system, and we have service contracts. So if from our main website page, you go and you click on support page, it's going to take you to all the different kinds of support you have access to. So how can we help? Maybe you are in the middle of an implementation, or you want to implement at a new facility. You can browse our implementation support plans and contact somebody to discuss that. What's the current version of Express Maintenance? Check the current version and the release notes. Remote support service contracts, updating Express Maintenance, train your team on Express Maintenance, and creating a support ticket. This is kind of a one-stop shop for all of the different things that you need help with. If you want to chat with somebody during normal business hours, you can click here to chat, and they can definitely route you to the appropriate person or help you directly. So just to give you an idea, if you are a basic support annual maintenance agreement customer, then what that looks like is you have access to this level of support. Here's your basic support. If you're not sure, you can always email us, call us, and say, hey, what level am I? And this is what you have access to. If you're advanced support, then you have this, plus you can call in for support, and instant access to the live chat, express request, expert database review. What that is a annual software usage review where we take a look under the Express Maintenance hood and help you try to figure out how to best optimize the software for your usage and your needs. What are your KPIs, and make sure that it's operating optimally to be able to give you the KPIs that you're looking for. We'll give you tips for optimizing it. We can do remote desktop expert guidance, specifically with troubleshooting Express Maintenance. So if you feel like something's not working the way it should, we use Zoom, we use Skype, we can use GoToMeeting, TeamViewer, Join Me, whatever you guys have and or need. We have some of our own. If you need to use ours, then we can remote desktop in and take a look at what you're looking at. We also offer our advanced support users some discounts here, as you can see. So just keep that in mind as you guys are renewing, and as you guys are looking for support. We want to make sure that you have a great experience. And so it's important to us that if you guys are having some issues with the software, we feel like those are our responsibility, whereas if the software has been implemented incorrectly or something, then that is your responsibility, and we want to help you guys overcome those issues. But that would fall under what we would call a remote support contract or service contract. And we don't have to do it remotely. We enjoy coming out on site. We have trainers and project managers and implementers all over the United States and are able to come help you wherever you're at. But sometimes just having an established remote service contract so that you have on-demand service throughout the year is very beneficial. And so kind of some of the things that we would cover that's not covered under our basic and advanced support would be our advanced services like remote training, KPI development and reporting, software management. What I mean by that is if you maybe you lost a maintenance manager or you need someone to be able to do some planning and scheduling for you. All of our trainers, all of our database engineers are former Express maintenance users and or maintenance technicians / managers. And so they know what you need, and they also know how to make sure that you get what you need from the product expert perspective. So we do offer those services. We have several customers who use those software management services to just help them stay on top of all of their tasks every month or report on their KPIs or things like that. We offer software usage analysis, gap analysis, where once a year we take a look, like I said, under the hood, but then we also offer a comparison year over year. Standard reporting, what is it if you need customized reports or you need report modification, then that would be done at an hourly rate. And IT support, included with our, in addition to our hosting services, which if you're not a hosted customer, that might be news to you, we do offer cloud-based hosting for Express Maintenance, and you can contact your account manager or call us and they'll get you connected with your account manager to do that. But in addition to that, maybe you need some assistance with a database move or resets of passwords or something like that. You need us to break in because everybody forgot their password. We can do that. But again, if it's a software issue that is because of the coding, we're 100% responsible for that. We're going to make sure that you get back up and running. And if we need to kick out another release so that you can have a better product, then we will do that as fast as possible. But anything else is going to pretty much fall under a service contract. So keep that in mind. And again, if you have, if you need some other resources, we have these help files. We have online training. That's our learning management system. And you can sign up for that anytime. You just go to our online training here and put in your information. If you're an advanced user, you're going to already have access to this. You just may need to set up an account if you haven't done that already. If you try to get access to it, you'll either have to pay monthly for it or upgrade to the advanced support, and then your users can have access to it. And then you also have these frequently asked questions. Okay, we also have yeah, we host biannually these Express Maintenance boot camps, and our last one was in Nashville. Our next one's going to be in California in the fall of 2019, and you can register for information for that. And then we also have this blog, and the blog is it's a growing piece of information that will kind of help you answer some questions. If you have some basic or very complex questions, you can always search our articles, but never, ever, ever hesitate to give us a call. Again, my name is Eric Waymeyer. I'm the Senior Account Manager for Express Maintenance, and I enjoy providing these hot tips. I hope you guys enjoy them and get some benefit out of them. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call us. And certainly if you guys need some support, be sure to check out that Create Support ticket. You can follow this URL, or you can go to expressmaintenance.com and it will direct you here. And we just want to be able to provide the best support, products, and services that you guys need when you need it. If you have any questions or suggestions, don't hesitate to reach out.